Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a cleaning closet makeover. Now basically I had an older closet. My house was built in 1972, so it's kind of dingy, it's kind of faded. There's really nothing all that spectacular about it, but today we're going to be making it over and hopefully making everything a little bit brighter and whiter, and hopefully it'll look a lot better. So to get things started, all we're going to do is just remove everything that's out of the closet. I mean, we're going to move the stuff that's on the door and all the shelves, all the cleaning products that's hanging. Everything's got to go. So once everything's removed, I'm going to go ahead and remove the board that is in the closet. It's the little shelf that's above the hanging rack. And so I'm going to actually get that out of the closet, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it outside. I didn't show that part because it's kind of boring, and honestly I was trying to keep floor cats within the house and not just everywhere. So also you can tell the closet is very dirty. It's got cobwebs. I haven't really done anything with it since I've lived in this house. It's just kind of sat on its own and it really needs some cleaning. Alright, so before I go any further, this is Mr. Cosmo. He's my painting paw helper today, and he's going to show himself, what he can do, and he's going to help me a lot today, or he may not. So if you're wondering where I got my paint, I got this particular paint from Home Depot, and I got it about 3 years ago, and I kind of feel bad for admitting that because I was supposed to use this paint for a different project a long time ago. But it's in Marshmallow, and I think it's in Gildan or something like that. It just starts with a G, and that's about all the information I give you as far as the paint goes. But it's a really good paint, and like I said, it's in Marshmallow, and it's a pretty good white color. Alright, so this is the point that I'm at with the closet. I think it actually looks pretty good. I do think it needs some touch-ups in certain areas to make it a little bit more even, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. I did want to mention in this particular closet, I had a hard time keeping the closet very, bright, and there wasn't a lot of light coming into it. So I did get some battery operated lights, and I picked those up at Walmart, and I think I got it for under $3 per unit. When I went into painting this closet, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with the floor. Since the floor was that green type of color, it didn't really look all that attractive, but then again I was very hesitant of actually painting it, but I'm really glad I did, and I think it looks pretty good. Alright guys, if you have any questions on how I did this closet or any of the things in the closet as far as products, feel free to send me a message. Also comment and like this video if you did happen to like it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Rock me.